Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada with you again today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also hit the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. Yes, today I'll be sharing with you guys on how to make creamy creamy fruit salad. Yes, this recipe is very healthy and easy to make, and we'll be needing banana, pineapple, apple, liquid milk, this is low fat milk, grapefruit, pawpaw, and watermelon. So these are basically the fruits we'll be using for this recipe, and as you guys can see, they're already prepared and chopped. So in a fruit bowl, we've added our banana, add the pineapple, add the apple, add the pawpaw, add the grapefruit, the watermelon, and finally the liquid milk. And give it a stir. Gently give it a stir to mix with the liquid milk. Delicious and super tasty. So guys, this is a very healthy recipe and also recommended for Weight Watchers. So if you're watching weight, yeah, this is for you. It's a very healthy recipe and easy. I mean easy, so easy to make. You can also add more fruit of choice. And also you can refrigerate a little and enjoy. So like rightly said, it's just an easy to make recipe. Just get your fruits and wash them, chop them, and mix the whole thing together, and that's all. You have your plate of fruit salad. Alright guys, this is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Bye.